Hello students, today's poem is On His Blindness by Milton. Milton belongs to the Puritanical period. He is known for his strong religious beliefs and democratic beliefs. This poem is a sonnet, patriarchal type of sonnet. As we have discussed while discussing the sonnet, that patriarchal sonnet has two types, octave and sestet. In octave, the problem is presented, and in sestet, the solution is there, or what was the mood in octave that changes in sestet. This sonnet is also of patriarchal sonnet. It's autobiographical in tone. Milton lost his eyesight at the age of 44. Here he talks to God. Uh, Approximately is complaining to God that he has lost his eyesight and now he will not be able to use the poetry talent with which he wanted to serve the God. After losing his eyesight, he will not be able to serve the God. Uh, this murmur, this doubt at the mercy of God is presented in the octave part. Taking the text, Milton says, I'm taking the text. When I consider how my light is spent before half my days in this dark world and wide, and that one talent which is death to hide, lost with me useless, though my soul more meant to serve there with my Maker and present my true account, lest he returning chide, does God exact day labor light denied? I fondly ask, but patience to prevent that murmur soon replies. This is the octave part of the sonnet where first of all Milton is doubtful and doubtful about himself and about God. He thinks that he has lost his eyesight and he will not be able to use his writing talent for to glorify the ways of God to man. The theme of this poem is the justification of the ways of God to man. But then a pause comes, which is called volta. In the assisted lines, last six lines, his patience answers to Milton, God does not need either man's work or his own gift. Who best bear his mild yoke, they serve him best. His state is kingly, thousands at his bidding speed, post over land and ocean without rest. They also serve who only stand and wait. In the assisted part, Milton's mood changes, his faith in God is revived, and he tells himself that God does not need his own gifts back. The people who are bearing his mild yoke, the people who are submitting to the will of God, they are the real servants, they are the real angels. One paradox has been introduced in the poem where he says that they also serve who only stand and wait. The people who are submitting to the will of God, the people who are waiting for the further orders, they are also the devotees of God. So this poem is a great puritanical belief. It shows in God that in spite of feeling the initial murmur, the initial doubt, at the end, Milton is faithful. Milton is having full faith in the mercy of God, that whatever God has done to us, that is right for us, and he will use his poetic talent. In spite of his blindness, he will use his poetic talent to glorify the ways of God to man. Thank you, students. Go through the text of this poem. Enjoy this poem. You have to do reference to context from this poem. Very short questions of 10 to 15 words, then 50 words questions. After that, long answer questions that will be of 8 marks. Justify the title of Milton's sonnet on his blindness, or Milton says they also serve who only stand and wait, explain. Then we can have essay type questions from this poem, like write a critical appreciation of the sonnet on his blindness, or on his blindness is a remarkable for its Puritan quality, discuss. You can write reference to context from this poem or octave differently and for sestet part differently. Then try to attempt the questions, very short questions, long question, essay type question, and hope you will go through this poem and will enjoy it. Thank you for the timing. Meeting with the next poem in the next class.